Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على صلاتهم يحافظون. Translation: And this book which we have revealed is full of blessings, confirming what came before it, and that you warn the people of your motherland and those around it. Those who believe in life of hereafter, they believe in it and are mindful to guard their salah prayers. In the previous ayah, we studied that the Jews said that Na'uzubillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not reveal anything. That meant they were denying their own book, Torah, and they were denying Quran as well. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the next ayah mentioned about the Quran, and two characteristics of Quran mentioned in this ayah. Number one, that it is Mubarak, and number two, that it is attesting the other books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Scholars have said that Mubarak means that the bounties and usefulness of this book is extremely high because it is for the both worlds, for this world and hereafter, and for the people at that time when it revealed until the last day of this universe. This book will remain useful. The second characteristic of Quran is mentioned that it is confirming and attesting all the previous book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you must believe in Torah and also in Quran. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned وَلِتُنذِرَ أُمَّ الْقُرَى وَمَنْ حَوْلَهَا, meaning so that you warn the people of Ummul Qura and the people around Ummul Qura. Ummul Qura is the name of Makkah Muazzama, and at the time of revelation of Quran, this was a bigger town and there were smaller towns around it, and people used to come from smaller towns to Makkah, and that's why it was called as Ummul Qura, meaning the mother of all towns. Waman Hawlaha, meaning that the towns around Makkah Mukarrama. And when the Islam spread, initially it went to the towns around Makkah Mukarrama, and then it started to go even farther away. And today, if we see in every part of this world, there is availability of Quran. The need of the time is that we must preach Quran to all the nations. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that those people who believe in the life after death, they are concerned and worried about the life hereafter, and they want to succeed over there. And when they ponder, they believe in Quran. These believers are very careful about their prayers, and they guard their salah, and the salah is the pillar of Islam, and this is the biggest sign of a person's belief. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.